Welcome to Danny's Den, your weekly mix of law, love, sports, and pop culture. Today we dive into those sideline moments that suddenly feel much bigger than a game. Let's chat. Picture this. It's a late afternoon game. Parents lined up along the fence, and one play turns into a shout. Someone steps forward, a coach answers back, and before you know it, somebody says, "I'm calling the police." Your kid is watching. Your Saturday becomes about paperwork instead of pizza. That's the moment we're dissecting today.
I remember one mom who missed her child's school recital because of a police follow-up the next week. Kids notice those gaps. It sticks with them.
Here's what we'll cover in plain terms. How to calm things in the moment, how to document facts so evidence helps you later, what contact with police can mean for parenting time, and a quick music reset to help the family recover. Practical, short, usable, no legal fluff. So, when does a blow-up become legal? Not every argument turns into a textbook case, but common entries are disorderly conduct, harassment, and sometimes assault. Someone on the sideline, a coach or an official, can make a report. That report triggers an investigation, and investigations follow you into other places, like league offices or family court. Here's the thing. A police report isn't an arrest. It's still paper that follows you. Judges and leagues read that stuff. And yes, that can affect how someone looks at your parenting later. So what should you actually do when tension spikes? First, de-escalate. Say something short and neutral. Try, "Let's not make this about the kids. Let's talk after the game." Or if you're directly confronted, a calm line like, "I don't want to argue here. I need to protect my kid's experience." Short, firm, non-provocative. "You don't get to shout at my kid," someone might snap. In that moment, you can reply, "I hear you. Let's move this aside so the kids can finish." That models control and redirects intensity without conceding the point. It works because it's about the kids, not about blame. Okay, documentation. Write it down. Time, place, names. No opinions. Photos of the scene, witness names and contact info, and screenshots of threatening messages. Those are the pieces that hold up. If you can legally record video of the overall scene, that helps too, but know your state's recording laws before you rely on audio. A quick rule. Document facts, not fury. Don't write a long, angry narrative, and definitely don't post heated clips on social media. Judges and league officials see those posts, and they rarely help. Keep your public comments quiet until you know the facts or have legal advice. If police arrive, keep interactions short and calm. Give your name, your relationship to the child, and cooperate with basic requests. If an officer asks for a long narrative, it's okay to say, "I prefer to speak with an attorney." That protects you and keeps the record cleaner. If you're detained or arrested, document everything as soon as you can. Who saw it, what officer said, any paperwork. Ask for copies. Your lawyer can help you decide whether to file your own incident statement and how to present context in family court. Was this a one-off, a reaction to provocation, or part of a pattern? Judges look for patterns and for stability for the kids. Now, let's talk about the kids. What to say to them in the moment and after. Keep it simple. I know that was upsetting. It's okay to feel mad, but we keep our voices calm so everyone feels safe. Model the tone you want them to copy. Small gestures matter. A quiet hug, a steadying hand on the shoulder. Repairing routines matters as much as legal steps. Keep game day rituals predictable. Same snack, same seat, same halftime chat. If you're temporarily unavailable, have a trusted backup who knows the ritual. Tell your child, "Game day is still our thing." That one sentence reassures more than an hour of explanations. 3 clear action steps to remember. 1. De-escalate with neutral redirects and remove kids from the line of fire. 2. Document facts immediately. Timestamps, photos, witness names. Save messages, but don't post. 3. If law enforcement is involved, stay calm and ask for an attorney before long statements.
Those moves protect your credibility and your parenting time.
If any of this feels heavy, pause the episode and take a moment. 10 slow breaths, step outside, or call someone you trust. If you need legal advice tailored to your situation, contact a local attorney. I can't give case-specific counsel here, but I can give the phrasing and steps that help keep kids safe and routines intact.
Quick music tie-in to help reset after a tense sideline. Build a 5-song playlist. Start with something slow to breathe to. Add a warm acoustic favorite the kids like. Include one upbeat family jam to reclaim fun. Then 2 mellow tracks that close the loop and tell your brain that crisis is over. Music is a tiny but powerful ritual of repair. If this episode helped, please subscribe so you don't miss future quick guides on law, parenting, sports, and keeping routines intact. For deeper help, reach out through the show's official channels or consult a local attorney. Small actions at the sideline protect big things at home. Let's chat. One last quick reset if you're still carrying tension. 3 long inhales, 3 slow exhales. Then do one small kind thing for your child. Make a favorite snack, play a quick game, or tell them one thing you loved about watching them play. Those tiny repairs add up. Take care.